All right, today we're going to look at converting a smaller customary unit to a larger customary unit. And so what we're going to look at is we're going to look at length today. And so the example that we're going to use today is 12 feet. And I want to convert that to yards. So how many yards is 12 feet? How many yards do we have with 12 feet? And so the first thing we want to do is we want to build our box that we can collect our information from our star chart in. And so if you don't have your star chart yet, you need to have that, because we're going to pull information right off of that star chart. And so since we're looking at converting from feet to yards, we're going to look at the customary units of length, and I'm going to find those two units, feet and yards. And so I see here on my star chart that I have 1 yard, and I'm just going to copy it exactly, equals 3 feet, okay? And then the information that I already know is 12 feet. I already know that I have 12 feet, and I need to figure out how many yards I have, okay? And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an arrow to the unknown. And so I'm going to draw the arrow from the 12 feet over to our unknown amount of yards. And I'm going to draw the same arrow. I'm going to draw another arrow in the same direction down below. So I'm moving from 3 feet to 1 yard. And so then the question I ask myself is, what do I need to do to get that 3 feet, or that 3, down to a 1? I either have to multiply or divide. So I'm moving from a larger number down to a smaller number. So hopefully we're all thinking, hey, we need to divide here. And so what would we divide to get 3 down to 1? Well, we should divide by 3. Whatever we do on the bottom, we want to repeat that step up on top. And so we're going to divide by 3 again. And so our question becomes, what is 12 divided by 3? And so hopefully we would, if we looked on our multiplication chart, or if we did the division problem, we would see that 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Okay, so there are 4 yards in 12 feet. Okay.